Hello everyone, today I am here to share my thoughts with you. So this is the first video of my self-motivation. Today I am here to share my few truths of life with you people. So let me start it. Okay. It's better to be unique than being best, because being best makes you the number one, but being unique makes you the only one. See, whenever in your life being unique is important, because see, being best, anybody can do their best and anybody can do it, but nobody can you should remember that. See, everyone is different in their own way, so creating your own identity is important, and everyone recognizing you should be recognized by everyone. So that is the real success, I feel, than being best. Everyone is best in their own way. See, we can't compare one person life with another person, right? Everyone is best in their own way and everyone is leading the best life in their own way. So being unique is important, what I feel, and everyone should feel that we are here to inspire, not to impress. See, impression is not important, I feel, because everyone will say that first impression is the best impression, but I don't feel it right all the time, because see, in the first sight of a person, we may see the bad thing in a person for the first time. So we'll get an impression that he is a bad one or bad person, like that. But we may not know that how good he is, and what is his character or her character. Because traveling with the same person for years long also, we cannot get the clarity about their character, whether it's good or bad. So we are not here to judge a person, because see, we cannot estimate their character, because we are not with them till their birth to death, right? And even minutes can change their character. Every minute, if you stay with them, every second if you stay with them also, you can't predict their character. So we are not here to judge anyone. So judging others is wrong in my point of view, and everyone deserves a second chance, but not for the same mistake, I believe. Because every time when we do a mistake, we'll say that okay, sorry, we won't repeat it again. So there itself we are conveying that we are not going to repeat the same mistake next time. But when we ask the same, apologize for the same mistake again, so we are not living on the same promise. That means what we have done previously. And one more thing is, winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. So everyone will fail in their life. Everyone can't succeed in the single attempt. Only few people they can, but everyone we should see the failure and also success. Then only we can know the importance of both, balancing of both failure and success. And one more thing, take risks in your life. If you fail, you can guide, but if you win, you can lead. You can lead if you win, but if you lose, you can guide. That means you can get experience from every bad thing or good thing, whatever it may be. You will get some experience, and you won't repeat the same mistakes again when you face the situation, I feel. And everyone, when you get ignored by someone, just leave them, because when you see yourself in others, you can't ignore anybody. Because see, when you feel hurting, when others ignore you, you feel hurting, and when you ignore other people, they too feel the same thing. So care for those who cares you, and don't beg for others to be in your life. See, everyone are different in their own way. If they want to stay in your life, they'll stay in your life. If they want to leave, they'll leave. That's it. And one more thing, the affection you get from others is a gift of your own character. It's true, I should say, because see, everyone, if you are good to a person, they'll be automatically good to you. But if you are rude to a person, they'll definitely be rude to you. For every action, there is a equal and opposite reaction. Remember that thing. So being good with everyone is a positive thing, I feel. And one more thing, lessons which we learn from COVID-19 is really appreciative. Life is short and jobs are temporary. Health is wealth. Always save money. We need God to survive. So thank you all. If you like this video, please suggest me other topics which you want me to speak on that topic, I'll definitely do the videos and upload it. And if you like it, please share it to everyone to get the awareness in the society. Thank you.